This video will show you how to update the transmitter software using your Descent Dive computer. Before you can update the software, you must pair your Descent T1 transmitter to a compatible Descent Dive computer. Sync your Dive computer with the Garmin Dive app, or connect the Dive computer to your computer using the USB cable and sync with the Garmin Express application. Garmin Dive and Garmin Express automatically look for software updates. Note: when you sync with Garmin Express, the update is applied immediately to your Dive computer. When you sync with Garmin Dive, you will be prompted to apply the update at a later time. After updating your Dive computer, install the transmitter on the first stage regulator. Gradually open the tank valve to pressurize the first stage regulator. When the transmitter detects pressure, it wakes from low power mode and plays a tone. On the paired Descent Dive computer, hold Menu, select Dive Setup, Air Integration, Transmitters, and select your transmitter. Wait for the transmitter to connect to your Dive computer. When connected appears on the Dive computer screen, select Software Update. Verify the transmitter ID when prompted. The transmitter ID is printed on the housing. Keep the Dive computer near the transmitter until the software update is complete. That's it. Thanks for watching.